Mining is one of the largest and most vital industries on Earth, worth about $1.6 trillion and employing more than 40 million people. If it's not grown, it's mined. Every day, 15,000 active mines extract the equivalent of $4.5 billion in raw materials, moving more than 100 billion metric tons of earth each year, and it's only becoming more important. We rely on these critical resources for nearly everything: vehicles, computers, batteries, and phones. With global demand rising every year, the mining industry must innovate, and Komatsu is leading the way.
Today, we're announcing a 6-year strategic partnership with Komatsu, a global leader in mining, construction, and heavy equipment. Applied Intuition will bring our AI and deep software expertise to help Komatsu take a bold step towards a future of increasingly autonomous AI-driven mining operations.
This partnership represents one of the most significant technology investments in Komatsu's 100-year history. Working with Applied Intuition allows us to enhance our own internal capabilities, enabling thousands of engineers on our team to improve safety and productivity for our customers. With this technology, we're looking to make our mining customers' operations significantly safer and more resilient. Through cutting-edge features such as collision avoidance, scenario replay, and onboard intelligence, we're making mines safer without slowing production.
We're integrating onboard intelligence so the vehicle can think for itself and operate without an operator.
These next-generation intelligent vehicles are designed to keep operations moving. Leveraging real-time decision-making, adaptive routing, and AI-powered path planning and map generation, they enable uninterrupted productivity and optimized performance at the mine site. Drones and autonomous trucks will continuously scan and update a real-time 3D picture of the mine. This unlocks better visibility and more efficient planning.
Together, we're addressing labor shortages and helping Komatsu scale autonomy faster, safer, and more sustainably. We're proud to work with Komatsu towards safer, more productive mines and a smarter future for us all. And we'll do all of this at Silicon Valley speed. This is Vehicle Intelligence, the future of mining.